my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am gonna be showing you how to make your own charcoal wax. And I did a sugaring video in the past and you guys have been seem to loving it so much. And also a while ago I did a video about how to remove your hair using charcoal wax. Charcoal wax has so many benefits. It helps in refining your pores, and for some of you out there whose skin is acne prone, it is gonna be great for that as well. I did two videos. In one I removed the hair from my legs because my leg has so many clogged pores, and in one I did a video on how to whiten your underarm because charcoal helps in whitening as well, because charcoal helps in refining your pores and it can make your skin glow instantly. So we are quickly gonna be getting into the video, guys. Also, everything which you are gonna need is readily available around and it is super cheap as well. So we are gonna be quickly diving into the video. Also, if you are someone who isn't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it would mean the world to me. So guys, the first thing you need to do here is turn on the heat, and after that place a pan on the stove. Here I have taken a cup of white sugar. You can take brown sugar if you feel like, and after that I have added half a cup of water here, and I have squeezed a lemon into the cup. I have added that as well here. After that add half a tablespoon of table salt, and then it is going to start to bubble. Make sure that you're stirring it in the between, and after that the color is going to start changing. It is probably going to take 5 to 7 minutes in order to make it into wax. And once it start bubbling, guys, here I am going to take 3 tablets of charcoal and I'm going to crush it so that it can be mixed up properly. And after that, once it starts to get golden, this is the time you need to stop the heat, add this into the pan and just give it a nice stir. This is the place where it is gonna get black, and here I have taken it onto a plate so that it do not get so hot, and this is a place where it is gonna get a little bit of cool so that you can take it into your hands. And when you put it in the plate, guys, make sure that plate is wet, otherwise the wax is gonna get stick there completely. You need to check the temperature, guys. It do not need to be so hot that it can burn your hands. Also make sure that your hands are wet as well so that it doesn't stick to your hand. It is a little bit of hot here, but it is not that unbearably hot as well. Charcoal is great for your skin. For somebody of you whose skin is acne prone, it is gonna be great for you guys. Here I have pretty much of hair growth on my hair. As you guys can see, you need to spread it in a way so that your hair can get tangled into the wax, and just spread it. It is not going to be super hot, it is lukewarm, and rip it off in the opposite direction. You guys can see it has taken out the hair properly and it really works great. You can use it on your face, and if you have sensitive skin, it is good for that as well. And it is gonna clean out your pores, make your skin glow instantly because it has charcoal in it, and you can easily make it at home. And as you guys can see for yourself, my hands are looking so nice. The skin is so soft, silky and smooth, so you guys can give it a try for yourself. So guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you find it helpful, and if you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll be coming with more videos as such. According to me, the wax has worked out great. I showed you the tutorial. If you still have any queries, you can let me know in the comments down below. I would love to connect to you guys, and make sure that you have already subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, just make sure that you do it now. Also make sure that you hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. Make sure to follow me on my social media, links to which are given in the description box below. I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.